everybody, today I'm going to show you these special light bulbs here, and they have like these little put in the base pin bases. You put them in and then you twist and then it locks in place. And can you guess what is different about these? I'll give you a hint. One is LED and one is CFL. And this one is the CFL and this one is the LED. As you can see, the CFL one is way more complex on the bottom than the LED. Got this one from IKEA. I got this one from the Restore. And look at this. This is like a W or M shaped tube. It's very nice. You're probably thinking that is like way too thin to be like fluorescent. It must be cold careful. Well, it's fluorescent. It is like very thin. It's a very thin fluorescent. The fluorescent tube, this is the electrode here, and this is the electrode here. It goes all the way down and connects here. It's not a loop, it's just a small little connection, and it goes back up to the other electrode. And as you can see, it's way more complex than the LED. The LED is like very simple. And I got this fixture here to test them in. This is actually like a candle melting fixture where you put a candle, put it in a halogen here. My halogen broke, so I'm using it for these two lights to test out today. I took off this cover here so you can get a better view of the light bulb starting up, because this thing starts up awesome. It is very nice. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. Make sure the switch is off, safety first. Put on eye protection, even though this is a very low wattage light bulb, which this is only 7 watts. And it is a nice color, and this is only 5.8 watts or something, and it is bright. So even though that this is 7 watts, 120 volts, you still need eye protection just for safety. So you got a fixture here. I hope you can see it's good. I need to get a better fixture than this so you can see it better. So you can see it start up. I hope you can see that good. So we're going to turn it on. In a 3, 2, 1. Awesome! This light bulb takes a little bit of time to warm up, but it warms up extremely quick. It warms up very quick because how small of a tube it is actually. And the color temperature is cool white. I was thinking be warm white or something, but possibility cool white, warm white, or daylight, and it was cool white. I really like this light bulb. It's a very cool light bulb. As you can see, this cover, they just melted on the plastic. They just melted it on, so there's no use of taking that off. As you can see, it's lighting up. There's some light coming off this plastic part where the seal is. There's the tube in there. It's very bright. Even very bright for a little tiny CFL. It's very nice. This is what it looks like with the globe on. It's kind of hard to put it on when I have to have the globe on. So this is what it looks like with the globe on. Let me just put in the light bulb here. There we go. And I'll just hold it on here. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it doesn't put too much light on the globe here. It's just minimum light. It's mostly used to reflect down on this base here. You put the candle here, you put the halogen here, melts the candle, but right now I'm just using it for just decoration for a little lamp using this light bulb. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it doesn't put too much light off of here. And it is very bright in person. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is very bright. Here's my hand. This is how bright it is. So we'll go ahead and take this light bulb out. It does get hot pretty quick. Not pretty quick, but quick. and we'll turn it on. As you can see, the LED is way more brighter than the CFL. It makes some heat here. I got this, I tested it out with a candle. It barely melted it. It's not enough heat as a halogen for it to melt, but it works. Here is the LED. It's much more brighter than the CFL. And this is very cool. I picked this up at the ReStore one day. And just a closer look at the tube again, because that tube is like awesome. I like the shape of the tube because it is very cool. I wish like this cover would come off, like I can just like pop it off and then like take a look at the tube in there. Just a better view of it instead of like with all those bumps in there. So we'll go ahead and test it out one last time, just for a spare. We'll put it in here. As you can see, that's the twist socket, almost kind of like a starter, except just the holes are a little closer to each other. So if you're wondering how you put one of these in, you align them with the holes, it pops in, and then you twist. And then it's pretty simple, actually. So we'll lay it down right now. Get that out of the way. And we'll do a close-up of it turning on because it's awesome. Okay, and a 3, 2, 1. There it goes. It fires up like almost like manual preheat almost. It does it by itself, manual preheat. It's not like you hold the button down and it comes on. It's just manual preheat by itself. It's very awesome. It has a very like bright koi color, and that's pretty good for like a little like calming down light. You can have it like facing on the ground like this while you're in your bed, and like you're just like nice dim light. That's what I'm using it for. It seems pretty good to my collection. I'm glad I found this. It's in like all the way in the back behind like all these like CFL boxes and stuff. There's like lots of CFLs all the same like in boxes. And I'm glad I found this in the back because I like to look in the back to see if there's anything interesting. So we'll turn this off. It is pretty warm. So I really hope you enjoyed this video of this CFL, not a CCFL, which is cold cathode CFL, because you can see those electric glows and then come on. That's CFL. So I really hope you enjoyed this video of this fluorescent bulb, and thanks for watching.